Here are 3 ways to make more money from crypto. The first one is to keep a journal of all your investment strategies and of all your trades. The only way that you can improve your investing decisions and your skills is by knowing what you've done in the past, so you can look what went well and what didn't go well, so you can improve on that. So make it a habit starting today. Every single trade or investment that you make, document why you took that trade and what you are looking for. Then what you want to do is you want to take profits of your paper gains. Whenever you feel yourself saying, oh, I made so much money, my coin is up 10x or 15x, you take a screenshot, you show your friends, you start bragging about it. Usually that tends to happen just before the market is about to crash. So when you catch yourself sending screenshots or showing off about your profits, lock those profits in. Unrealized gains are not gains until you cash them out. And then the third and final tip that I want to give you is to have an actual strategy of when to get in, when to get out, and when to take a loss. So many times people approach me after they've taken a position that is now in a loss and they're saying, I don't know what to do. Do I sell? Do I not? And the worst thing that you can do is be in a position where you don't know what you're going to do when it is already in a loss. So before you enter a position, you want to know, in the worst case, if this goes against you, where are you going to sell? How much of a loss are you willing to take? And when it goes up and it goes in the right way, you need to know where are you going to take profits, how much do you want to realize, and what do you do? And this is going to dramatically help you increase your overall profits from crypto investing and trading.